Hi, John here. In this video I will show you how I test different ad variations in my Facebook ads. Basically it's kind of like a Facebook ad tutorial, and right now I got a couple of new videos from my video designer and I need to upload them to Facebook and schedule some ads for tomorrow. So I will basically show you how I create a test in my ads manager. First, I would like to thank you for watching my videos, and if you are watching them every day and you are still not subscribed, then definitely subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button, and if you have some interesting ideas for future videos, then definitely comment below. You always need to test new things. Even if everything is working, even like everything looks awesome, you are making money and life is great, Facebook tends to change like so fast, it sometimes like make you feel like very bad, so you need to constantly test, so when that fall come, you will be like ready, to attack, or you will already have like some different ad that basically is already optimized. You will be able to move your budget from that old ad to that new ad, or you will be constantly moving to the new ad, so when that old one dies, you will already have running that new ad. People tend to think that when your ad is not working, it's usually something external, like competitors are flagging your ads, or your customer feedback score because it's like 1.5, now you cannot like promote properly, and like things like that, because it's like easy to think that, it doesn't like cost you anything, but truth is that most of the time it's ad, okay, and changing ad is like usually a instant instant win, because even if you are like running like in total like problems for like last couple days, and you are seeing that like it's not working anymore, the product is like dying, and then you just get a new video which is like awesome, and then you will upload it, then in like 24 hours you can completely like change that situation and start going up again. Okay, I'm always like shocked, how those new ads can like really like turn things, because like really like one day you are like completely down, and then you just like switch ad and everything is like awesome, for like again for like a long time. So that ad usually changes everything, really. Like if you can just get new ad, you can really like change that course of your promotion. Okay, you can really like make it awesome, from something that is like not working at all anymore to something like that works like awesome and everybody wants to buy. Okay, let me just show this campaign. Basically, I'm already like running it a couple months. This is not so big, we spend there just like $132,000. Okay, so basically I need to go here, and I already prepared basically those new ads. So I already created them and uploaded them to Facebook. I just need to now basically get those ad sets and connect them. So usually what I do is that I take like for each video test like 10 new ad sets, or like even sometimes like 15, so I test at least like 200 $250 per day with that new video, because I'm not testing anymore like products. Okay, because this product was already working. It spent like so much money in like last year, not just in this ad account, I had it like on some other stores as well. So I know that this will just work. Okay, I just need to like get new videos. Basically I usually go and pick like those 10 best converting ad sets. Okay, so I will just do it here. I don't even need to check what's their names or if they are look like ad sets. Okay, I just want to have like 10 best converting ad sets, and that's it. Then I will create like those duplicates. Okay, I will just I need to turn them on, and I will just put here 7, and I will set them on 3 a.m. I don't know why I'm doing like 3 a.m. I'm just like always doing 3 a.m. Once they told me in Facebook that I should do 3 a.m. So since then I'm like already like 3 or 4 years using that 3 a.m. time. Okay, so every time when I'm scheduling some ad sets, I'm always doing it like for the day and for 3 a.m. by I'm using Pacific time. Okay, so that's basically the main time that Facebook is using. I will not even touch here any like settings, actually, except age, because I already completely like distracted that 5565, so I think I will just need to like give it a little bit more space. And I've started testing like 18 plus, and actually it's working as well, so I will just move some money there. And so this is like a first set of those ad sets. Basically I have like 3 new videos, so I need to do like 3 of these sets, and I want to do like exactly same 3 sets. Okay, so I will take exactly same ad sets with exactly same audiences in them, exactly same settings, but only thing what will be different is that each of them will have like different ads in them. So let's now check those ads. Basically for me is most important how I name my ads, because based on those name in ads I will be checking my data, okay? Because it's like a lot easier to edit those ads than those assets, because with those assets I would need to edit them like one by one, but if I'm like launching tons of ads, I usually just like edit all those ads in bulk, so which is like super easy for me. So I will just like create some number. I think this is like 51 ad that I am testing. So I will just use that, you know, and I always use that date, so let's say July 7. And well, based on that, basically now I will know, you know, when I will use that search, what kind of like ad I'm testing, okay? So this is already like first set ready. So now I'll create the second set. So now I will basically take those exactly same ad sets and duplicate them again, and I will not like click anywhere else, okay? Because then it would be like very difficult for me to understand which assets these are. So I will just immediately go to ads, and here I will immediately put like 52. So I know that this is like ad 52, and I need to also change post. And basically now it's like, again, I have like 3 different new videos, but with same thumbnail, okay? And now I need to create third set of those ad sets for the test. Okay, done. And now I need to again go to those ads and change this to 53 and pick that correct ad. So basically now I have like 30 new ad sets, each of them for like $20. All of them are set for 3 a.m. of next day, and basically now I don't need to even do anything, you know. I will just like watch and let rules to like stop them, okay? Well, why I'm doing it like this way, you know, and not like using some Facebook features for like split testing? Well, for me it's like very important if it will all work in the same way like I am managing the rest of my promotion. So I don't want to use like some split testing softwares or like split testing feature in Facebook. I just want to do it all like exactly same way like I would be launching my ads like every day. So if it will work in that exactly same way, I know that I can like push it, okay? And basically I'm like doing this like all the time, so I always like create these exact same sets, you know, and then based on like next 2 days I am like increasing, okay? So let's say that I'm starting with like $200, and then basically next day I will push that winning ad to like 500, and then like to 1000, and then I know when it handles 1000 per day, it's like the winner and I can just go high, okay? Well, important for me is like to get through it second day, because well, sometimes you can get like great results after the first day, you know, but it can be like luck, okay? But if it will survive like 2 days in a row with that 500 and then $1000 budget, then I know that this is like a real deal, and yeah, it can like hold my promotion for like next couple of weeks. Okay, so this is how I test those different ad variations, and basically I'm doing it like always, like for last couple of years, okay? So every time when I have some new video, new image, or well, new everything, new copy, I just do it this way. I just pick like 10 best converting ad sets and then duplicate them based on how many tests I want to do, and based on that then I move from like $200 budget to like 500 and then to 1000. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and if you are still in Ad Federation, my free Facebook mastermind group, then definitely join that group. And well, if you got flagged and you want to get out of that Facebook circle of hell, then definitely also download my free Facebook Advanced Survival Guide. You know, I wrote it to help you to restart your promotion so you can keep selling your stuff. Okay, so thank you very much, and I will see you in next video. Bye.